Tiffany Henyard is the first and youngest woman mayor of Dolton. She is an elected supervisor of the Thornton Township. Prior to being mayor and supervisor, she worked as a Dolton Village Trustee. In early 2024, the Illinois Attorney General's office began scrutinizing Henyard's activities as mayor and her non-profit organization. The Federal Bureau of Investigation (FBI) also interviewed witnesses and subpoenaed records related to Henyard's alleged corruption. Henyard is also under civil investigation by the Illinois Department of Human Rights and is a defendant in a number of lawsuits. As mayor and supervisor, Henyard has become embroiled in scandals involving allegations of financial mismanagement, corruption, fraud, and other misconduct. She has been at odds with the majority of the village's board of trustees. She previously served two terms as a member of the Dolton Village Board of Trustees from 2013 through 2021. Henyard won election as a trustee in 2013 and 2017 and election as mayor in 2021. She was appointed supervisor in 2022. Henyard grew up in Dolton and graduated from Thorn Ridge High School. 3. She received a degree in business administration from Robert Horris University, Illinois. Henyard is a lifelong resident at Dolton. In 2011, Henyard got her start in government and politics by working on then-Governor Pat Quinn's Put Illinois to Work initiative. In August 2019, CBS 2 Chicago reported that a residence which Henyard owned as a landlord and for which she received Section 8 housing subsidies had a severe mold problem as well as issues with water leakage. In November 2019, the same channel reported that the residence's mold situation had become severe enough that it was deemed uninhabitable and its tenant was forced to move out, but that Henyard had continued to receive Section 8 housing subsidies. Her tenant accused her of failing to remedy the mold problem, and media scrutiny raised more concerns over the prior inspection history of the property. Henyard was sworn in as mayor on May 8, 2021, becoming the first female mayor of the village as well as the